Yo, we're back! And I got a 2020 Gt500 Style hood on my car. How did I do that? I don't know, but we're gonna look into it, review it. I'm gonna tell you what I think about it compared to the other carbon fiber hood I had. I like it so far. But I know you guys seen a little sneak peek, so let's dive into this hood. Sorry I've been a little late, you know, with videos and stuff. I got a lot going on with family and stuff, and obviously my dad's passing, which is gonna be some time. Well, you know, a train in the background. That never gets old. All right, let's go. The 3V. Just got done cleaning it up. Been using some deluxe car care. Look at that hood. That's a beauty. You can't go wrong with that, man. Yes, sir. These are actually drilled. That was like the most pain. I should have did a video on this whole process. This is all like 100% legit. Re-drilled brand new holes in this hood as well, right when it came in. That was the most sketchy part, was lining up those hoods. Really what I do is I put those pins in the bottom, and when they were touching the hood, I put like grease on them, or you put permanent marker on them. Something like that along those lines. I use grease or like detailing product that has a little bit of it's hard to describe, but just grease will work too. So put a little bit of grease on each pin, put your hood down, touch, bring it back up, and you'll know where to drill your holes up. So then drill little holes going up, and then I got a universal style, what do you call that? I can't think of it right now. I got a brain fart, but it's a bigger cone style. And I tape off the top and I drill from the top down. So that's how I do all that. If you guys really want me to break that down for you on how to do the hood pins, I can, but there is a video by CJ Pony Parts doing this. So yeah, this hood looks really nice. It's a little wet. I did not dry it down and really detail. I just gave it a good wash before I actually detail. It is functional. Got all the vents there. I do want to paint these all black in here. I don't like that like silver satin or satin, whatever color. So, but yeah, she does look good. Let's see the inside here quick. So you guys can see what it looks like inside the car with that little cowl. So you'll be sitting about here. That's about where I sit. So yeah, not bad at all. You can still see a lot. But yeah, still pretty good. Sit down a little low here. Yeah. So yeah, it's not much of a major cowl. A little lift there. Looks pretty cool. Looks sinister. Looks evil. I do like it a lot. Now, why do I like this hood a lot? Well, I mean, look, it's carbon fiber. It is actually a little lighter than the stock hood. I can't remember the exact, I'll have to put that down somewhere if I can remember. But it's just a nice hood all around. It's actually, I mean, to me it looks really beautiful. The 2020 Gt500 Style hood looks really nice and aggressive on the 3-valve. I did get it off of carid.com, so you can check it out on there. It is on eBay as well. If you want to trust eBay, that's cool. Car ID is actually my first time buying off a Car ID, and I was like, let's just shoot for it and see what happens. Turned out really nice. It turned out great. I did not have any issues getting this hood. So it looks, I mean, it turned out really nice. One of the biggest reasons why I decided to change hoods already is because the last hood I had, the motor strut bar did not fit and it would hit, and I was not able to shut my hood all the way. So I had to take the motor strut bar out. Something I did not like and did not want to do. So I rocked it for a little bit just to rock it. And now we got this hood, which I can now have that motor strut bar on. So this is a big A+. This does clear everything I have, the Sniper EFI, the motor strut bar, all that stuff. It clears everything. So huge A+. And the hood pins, obviously I don't want the hood to fly back and hit my windshield. I'm always careful about all this stuff because, like I said, we track the car, we have fun with the car. We do hit some high speeds, so I want to be safe. Better safe than sorry. So that's my review on the hood. I think it looks really sick. Turned out really nice. I think I am one of the first 3-valves. I'm going to say one of, because I believe there was another car out there that has this style hood, but I don't think it's carbon fiber. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you love the hood? Are you glad I got this hood? What do you think overall? Thank you. See you later.